Hello everyone, this is Joe from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Gaggia Babila with us in the shop. Now, I came in because there was a lot of water priming issues and a lot of issues with the water circuit on this machine. I'm just moving the camera here so you get a little bit closer. And yeah, when I opened the panels up, it was pretty bad in there. There was quite a lot of leaking, as you can see here. This is the valve we actually replaced. You could see where it was leaking from, and it was just totally destroyed it. And also destroyed your flow meter, which controls or at least remembers water and when to send it, stuff like that. And so we replaced it completely, and then we did a full tune-up on the machine. We also had issue with cloggage in the spouts, so I did quite a few cleaning cycles to hopefully mitigate that. So now we're just going to test brewing espresso. We're just going to brew one shot here, just for quick video. I'm just going to wipe this here off. Also, we did replace all the gaskets that are inside of your machine, mainly the brew unit gaskets that are in here, and then I also replaced the entirety of the valve, this valve right here, as you can see, completely replaced with a brand new one that's in there. And then also descaled the machine. I believe I mentioned the cleaning cycles. I did about 6 of them using detergent, cohesive detergent. And yeah, as you can see, brewing well. And this is old coffee, so don't worry about the crema and stuff like that. But yeah, so working great. And it's ready to continue brewing. That's about it for this video. If you like this repair or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.